What's up? It's your girl Slim Goody the Great, and today we're doing a wig install featuring Mega Look Hair. We have a 26-inch unit, purple pink color, transparent lace. It came with a middle part, elastic band, 4 combs, middle part straight down the middle, and it came pre-curled. I already have my ball cap method, and we're gonna go ahead and tint that with the Eben. We're gonna put 4 layers of bowl hold glue. Use my blow dryer real quick till all the layers are clear. Boom, look at that lace cut, no baby hair. Scalp is giving scalp. Yes, we did that. We laid that down with our elastic band from Mega Look Hair. And now we're going to go into styling it. So now I'm just playing around with it, running my fingers through it, seeing how it looked, deciding if I want to do baby hairs or not. It's a very pretty unit. It's full, it's thick, 26 inches. So I did some pin curls in it, and I did a slight baby hair, and I let those sit overnight. I end up putting on my bonnet, and this is me in the bed with the matching eyebrows, burgundy eyebrows. Boom, the next day we all made up, did up, pulling those pin curls out. Now we're going to get to pulling that last pin curl out, and we're going to comb out our curls and style it up and play with the hair. It's very pretty hair. I did my face. I had a video shoot that day, so this was style number 1. I end up putting it in 2 pigtails with the 2 face curls. Boom, like that. Then boom, style 2. This is a side part. Like I said, I did slight baby hairs. This is when all the curls fell, and I'm just playing with it, combing it. Boom, switch the bang to the other side. You can put it up and a half up, half down. My curls. Boom, I love the side part, and I love that pink color, that stripe. So yeah, check me out, Mega Look Hair.